5 small plants for balcony garden. Looking for small plants to spruce up your balcony garden? Here are 5 plants that can be perfect for your balcony. Fuchsia plant. This plant thrives well in shade and features pink, red and purple flowers. It can be grown in window boxes and hanging baskets. Lavender. Lavender needs direct sunlight and grows well in pots. The aroma of lavender has a calming and soothing effect. Caladium. This plant can grow between 10 to 24 inches tall in pots. It features heart-shaped leaves with lime green, hot pink and red patterns. Baby toes. Baby toes succulents are low maintenance and easy to care. It is a small plant with packed club-like leaves. Air plant. Air plants, also known as tillandsia or airworts, are easy to grow. They don't need soil to grow.